Hi everybody, how was my last tutorial part about the days of the week in the German language? Do comment in the comment section. Now, we not only have the days of the week in a calendar, but we also have the months in a year. So let's look at the months in this tutorial part. One month is der Monat, plural die Monate. One year is das Jahr, plural die Jahre. So in the plural, this noun will get an E at the end and it will be die Jahre. So we have January, which is Januar. February, Februar. March, März. Note that the A in the German language has the umlaut and therefore the pronunciation would be with ä. So März. April, April. May, Mai. June, Juni. July, Juli. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Also note that before each of these months, we will use the preposition im before the month. So im Januar, im Februar, im März, im April, etc. to mean in these months. And also note that just like is the short form of an plus dem, im is the short form of in plus dem. And this is so because the dative case in the German grammar is being used here. But as I mentioned in my previous tutorial part also, you don't need to be worried about the dative case. You just need to know that the actual prepositions are an to mean on when we use them before days, but we combine an with dem, as I showed you in my previous tutorial part. So like this. And we combine in with dame and it is shortened to in to mean in when we are talking about the months. So, in a particular month. But also when we are talking about the year. So, im, ya. So, you just need to know and im for the time being. So, that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 3 of this tutorial. Thank you.